God is saying to you right now, pay close attention to this divine word. Failing that you may encounter considerable difficulty. I am Jesus Christ, and my love for you is unending. Therefore, listen carefully to my special message. I keep coming, knocking on your door, hoping to be accessible to bless you with more money, better health, and absolutely eternal serenity. In addition, I will protect you and your loved ones from harm and bad spirits. Put your faith in me by giving this video a thumbs up and sharing it with your loved ones. If your enemy is hungry, give him food to eat. If he is thirsty, give him water to drink in. Doing this you will heap burning coals on his head, and the Lord will reward. Proverbs 25:21-22. God is saying to you today, April is going to be a big month for you. You will experience consecutive wins, healing, unexpected blessings, financial freedom, and spiritual growth. Nothing about your life will remain the same. You will receive everything you've been waiting and praying for. You will receive good news and miracles all month long. You will be happy again. You will heal. You will grow. You will flourish into the person you are destined to be. You will finally be at peace. You deserve it. God is saying to you today, there is about to be a change in your life. For the good, you have been through enough. You are going to receive that miracle you've been praying for. Only I can do the impossible. I can make a way where there seems to be no way. I will bless your health, your family, and your finances today. God is saying to you, today, I know things have been difficult for you. You've been worrying so much that you haven't been able to sleep at night. Give your burdens to me, and I will give you rest. Wait on me, and let me renew your strength. You are on the verge of your breakthrough. You're going to make it. Your breakthrough is about to happen. I am blessing your dreams, your career, your relationships, your finances, and your health. Better days are coming. You are coming out of debt. Your health will improve. You are going to get the job. You are going to pass the test. The tears, pain, and sleepless nights are coming to an end. You will meet the right person. Blessings are coming your way. So make sure to watch this video till the end. If you need blessings, type 1111 to affirms this. God is saying to you today, things are going to fall into place. Promotion is going to find you. New opportunities are coming. The right people are going to track you down. Promises are going to be fulfilled. Trust my timing. Blessings are coming your way. I am setting you up for a breakthrough like you have never seen before. You are entering the beginning of a fresh new season. Don't despise the process. Don't despise the journey. The storms may come, but those storms will develop you to make you more like me. My hand is on your life, and people will watch from a distance and wonder how you have so much favor on your life. They won't understand it. It is my hand that did this in you. No person will ever take credit for what I do through you. Walk boldly and confidently into this next season. No weapon formed against you will prosper. God is saying to you today, it's time for you to smile again. Never forget, you are not alone in this. Let me help you. My angels are with you already. Relax and just trust me. I have amazing plans for you. In fact, that is why you need to get excited again, because the plans I have for you are greater than you could ever ask or think. The best is yet to come. Something good is about to happen for you and your family. I am moving you to a new level. Your breakthrough is happening. The best part of your life is still out in front of you. Type 222 to affirms this. God is saying to you today, chains are breaking right now. New doors are opening. You're coming out of generational curses, generational limitations, generational struggles, and walking into generational blessings. What's been stored up for your family is about to be released with you. What's been held back is not lost, it's been accumulating. You're coming into a season of greater favor, greater opportunity, and greater influence. God is saying to you today, I am proud of the fact that you are still fighting. still praying, still searching the scriptures for answers, and still getting up every morning looking to spread light and love in this dark world. Continue to fight the good fight of faith. You are stronger than you think. I'm going to open up the windows of heaven and pour out healing wisdom, favor, and blessings over your life. I love you so much. Type 555 to affirms this. You're about to overcome something you've been dealing with. Your mind and heart will be at peace again. The weight is being lifted off of you right now. Breathe, be patient. You're going to make it. Everything will be okay. Your prayers are being answered quickly. The delay is over this week. We'll be filled with blessings, healing, miracles, new opportunities, and breakthroughs. God is saying to you today, I am going to open doors for you that have been locked for a long time. Suddenly, miracles will happen in your life. Healing and restoration are being released. Your greatest days of productivity and prosperity are on the horizon. You're about to receive a harvest of blessings. I am honoring the seeds you have sown, the prayers you have prayed, the worship you have offered, the sacrifices you have made, and the perseverance you have shown. Get ready, an outpouring of blessings are coming your way. God is saying to you today, I am about to promote you. I am about to give you an opportunity you've never had. I am opening doors for you. I am going to take you from the bottom to the top. Whatever has been stolen from you is coming back home. Your days of being without or over anything that is harassing you or hindering your life is being removed. I have dealt with all of your needs now. I am dealing with your wants. Type 333 to affirms. This chains are breaking right now. New doors are opening. You're coming out of generational curses, generational limitations, generational struggles, and walking into generational blessings. What's been stored up for your family is about to be released with you. What's been held back is not lost, it's been accumulating. You're coming into a season of greater favor, greater opportunity, and greater influence. God is saying to you today, I saw what they did to you. I felt you dealing with it, and silence and hurt. I watch it how they hated and tried to destroy you. I know it all, but I kept you and watched over you. I have prepared a table in the presence of your enemies. This is your season for blessings, favor, and breakthroughs. I'm going to repay you for the years the enemy has stolen. Years you spent, lonely years you spent being mistreated. You're going to have plenty of joy, plenty of peace, plenty of resources, and plenty of opportunities. Don't even think about giving up. You're going to make it, no matter what it looks like right now. I know you're worried about your finances, your health, and your family. Remember, I always work in your favor. I will bless you today with peace, healing, and victory. If you don't quit, I am going to bring something beautiful out of this ugly situation. Get ready for your blessings. Type 444. To affirms this, God is saying to you, today, never forget that I am always with you through good days and bad days, on mountaintops and in valleys, in joy and in tears, in blessings and in trials, whatever you are going through. I am right there beside you every day, every night, every step of the way. I love you, and I won't leave you. Be encouraged. I have heard your prayers and seen your tears. I will heal you. I will never leave you nor forsake you. I know what you are going through. I am your Savior. Keep your faith and focus on me. Everything will be all right. God shall furnish you with cause for exaltation. Blessings are root to you. Your financial straits shall ameliorate. Healing shall be conferred upon you, and miracles shall materialize precisely when necessitated. Recite this. Now, Father, you are incomparably benevolent. Thank you for your unwavering affection and grace toward me. I am appreciative of your constancy. Even in my lapses today, I elect to rise above and harbor faith that you are showering me with blessings commensurate with your opulence and glory in the appellation of Jesus. God is saying to you today, I will never disappoint those who hope in me, those who believe in me. You know about Daniel, Joseph, Abraham, David, Hannah, Esther. In the middle of all the things they faced, they believed in me. They believed that I would answer their prayers at the right time. I never disappointed them. I only bless them with blessings that I have stored for them at the right time. I know that you believe in me. I will never disappoint you. Have faith in me. I will never lie. Blessings are coming your way. Angels are protecting you. The Holy Spirit is guiding you. Your finances will multiply. Your health will improve. All your needs will be met. 2024 will be filled with blessings and opportunities. God is going to do something amazing in your life this week. I don't know what you've been praying about or what has had your pillows soaked with tears, but I am here today to tell you that God has heard your prayers. His angels have been dispatched, and you will see your miracle soon. I declare you will see your health turn around for the good. You will surprise the doctors. You will get the job. Your job is to act and speak like it's going to happen. Walk by faith, not by sight. Type 555 affirms this. God is saying to you today, this will be a week of breakthroughs for you. You will break through in your health, finances, profession, business, marriage, relationships, spiritual walk, and in all other areas that present a challenge. You will have an amazing week, filled with wonderful opportunities, miracles, and favor. God is saying to you today that closed door was not a rejection, but a redirection to something bigger and better. I will bring people into your life who will help you, not hinder you. They will encourage you, not judge you. They are not part of your past, so they won't keep reminding you of it. Don't look back. I have something amazing in your future. God is saying to you today, your miracle is closer than you think. There's about to be a shift from struggling to ease, from barely making it to abundance, from fighting that addiction to freedom, and from dealing with that sickness to health and wholeness. You are going to shift from nothing working out to things falling into place, meeting the right people, receiving the contracts, and having all the resources you need. What I promised you already has a set time. It's not going to be 1 second late. Trust my timing. Love is patient. Love is kind. It does not envy. It does not boast. It is not proud. It does not dishonor others. It is not self-seeking. It is not easily angered. It keeps no record of wrongs. Love does not delight in evil, but rejoices with the truth. It always protects, always trusts, always hopes, always perseveres. Love never fails. Type 7 affirms this. God, hope this message has been an inspiration to you. If you liked it, please write Amen and share this message with someone who also needs to hear it. I invite you to click on the first comment where you will find a special prayer, the second best manifestation offer in the world. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content like this. Until tomorrow.